Now we're going to talk about the traceroute command. In Windows, traceroute is spelled Tracert, and what that does is it traces a path to any location that we want. So we're going to go ahead and see if we're going to get hung up on a path by putting in this address, and it will go ahead and it will not only trace each hop as it goes out to the destination, but it will also resolve the name, the host name, the A record of those destinations. Now that can be very helpful sometimes, because that way you can find out which ISP is holding you up, but other times it can just slow things down. So we'll just go ahead and do a Control-C on that, and we'll run that same command again, but we're going to do it with the -D switch. And what that does for us is it just gives us IP addresses only and not the A or host records attached to it. Now you can see it runs much more quickly because it's not looking up what those IP address names are tied to. And if the traceroute lasts more than 30 hops, it will actually stop at the 30 hops, and most likely you have a problem, because rarely do you need 30 hops to get anywhere in the world at this point. So the traceroute command can be very useful to finding out if you're being hung up at any particular spot. You can call the internet service provider and say, hey, we're trying to trace through your network and we got stopped at this address, and they will look into the routing and see if one of the routers is down, or see if a technician has changed a route statement that no longer allows you through their network. So it's very useful to use traceroute in networking as an IT administrator.